Hey, I know your pain. I was feeling the same way not long ago. I'm here to help you. In the following minutes, I'll show you how I was able to transform my life. Watch this closely and thank me after that.
People ask me all the time, Art, do I need to use paid traffic to see real results online? My answer, absolutely not. In fact, I'll show you how I made $789.80 in 24 hours using only free traffic. So, stop paying for traffic, use free traffic instead. Yes, you can make a lot of sales using paid traffic. However, you need to spend thousands of dollars upfront to see any significant results, and Facebook and Google advertising guidelines are getting stricter. The worst part? The paid traffic providers like Facebook and Google are banning ad accounts left and right. I got 6 of my Facebook ad accounts banned. Yes, 6. That's why I decided to use free buyer traffic instead. Now, if you're asking, Art, how is this different from any other free traffic system out there? Well, I can prove to you that this free targeted buyer traffic formula that I recently developed made me $789.80 without the use of any of my other online assets like my email list or my website. Why am I doing this? To prove to you that anyone can make money online starting from scratch, even if they are brand new to all this. This means using this free targeted buyer traffic formula and no other online assets like a website, an email list, social media following, or anything else of that sort. Hey, this is Art from Team Black Belt. Myself, Palab, and Ram are full-time internet marketers for years now, and honestly, we are not using much paid traffic in our online businesses. Why? Because the prices are skyrocketing. Nowadays you have to pay at least 50 cents to $1 per click when buying Facebook ads or Google ads, which means there's very little room for error. It's very easy to go through a budget of $1,000 in a single day without seeing any kind of results, and that's scary. The alternative we got for you today, 100% free targeted buyer traffic that converts into sales. Sounds good? It feels even better. You see, if you're paying for traffic or if you just bought a paid ad once, you should know this. 97% of people paying for traffic are overpaying. You know why? Because it takes thousands of dollars just to optimize your ad and find the right audience. So if you're spending less than that, it's like shooting in the dark. On the other hand, our free targeted buyer traffic formula is perfect for anyone needing traffic. We are going to prove to you that this free traffic formula works for anyone, no matter their income level, expertise, or country of residence. I'll walk you through my $789.80 case study results. You'll be right there with me, watching over my shoulder and copying every single step from zero to seeing actual results in traffic and sales. I'll show you how I use this free targeted buyer traffic source to make $789.80 starting from an absolute scratch. This means no email list, no website, no social media groups, and no personal connections with other marketers of any sort. This means you can just copy-paste my exact strategy and finally see results even if you're starting from scratch. If you want to see how I use this lightning speed strategy that can be copied with no expertise or no online assets, this is it, right here, right now. The best thing about this formula, if you need more traffic and commissions, you just rinse and repeat as many times as you want to. I'm showing you how I made $789.80 inside the case study to prove to you that this absolutely works with almost instant speed. All you have to do is copy my formula to finally create the freedom and abundance in your life you've always dreamed of. What we are about to reveal to you inside Commission Hotshot is not another shiny object you'll get and then move on from the next day. This is a real online business model that works fast, is easy to implement, and most importantly, is easy to scale up as big as you want to. We are so convinced that you will see results after implementing this that we are willing to put our money where our mouth is. You're getting a full, no questions asked, 30 days money back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk on your part. Some of the gurus out there want you to believe that more traffic equals more sales. Wrong. More free targeted buyer traffic equals more sales, and inside Commission Hotshot I'll show you exactly how to get it. Commission Hotshot is a real fast track to your online success, and I've proven that it works using nothing else but free traffic even when starting from scratch with no existing online assets. Inside the members area you're getting a step-by-step case study showing exactly how I made $789.80 using nothing else but this one free traffic source without using my email list, my website or my social media groups. And that's not it. You're also getting step-by-step video training on how to scale this up to 3 to 4 figures a day, additional bonuses making this strategy even more exciting, and a bunch of additional resources like cheat sheets, software and more. After clicking on the Buy Now button below, you'll be able to potentially make $789.80 using free targeted buyer traffic just like I did. So click the Buy Now button below and we'll personally connect with you inside the members area.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.